Good morning from Edinburgh. So I was just walking by and I came across such a beautiful monument here. It is one of the well-known cathedral in Edinburgh. It is St Mary's Cathedral, and now we are going inside it. Hi. We are going inside this cathedral. St Mary's Episcopal Cathedral is the mother church of all Scottish Episcopal churches in the Edinburgh Diocese. There are 7 dioceses in Scotland. St Mary's is the see of the Bishop of Edinburgh, one of the 7 bishops within the Scottish Episcopal Church. It was designed in a Victorian Gothic revival style by architect Sir George Gilbert Scott. It has attained Category A listed building status and is part of Old Town and New Town of Edinburgh World Heritage Site. The cathedral is one of only 3 in the United Kingdom that feature 3 spires. The main spire is 90 meters or 290 feet tall, making the building the tallest in the Edinburgh urban area. The other 2 spires were completed in 1970. The song school and the chapter house were also added in later years. St Mary's Episcopal Cathedral has 4 main doors: the west, east, north and south doors. The cathedral's main entrance is the ornate west entrance from Palmerston Place, which features St Peter and the key to the kingdom of heaven. The cathedral is home to a stained glass window. The glasswork consists of a large rose window with 3 lancet windows below, in vibrant colors of glass, which are designed to project onto stonework inside the cathedral on bright days.